Warning. If the topic of psychological manipulation and emotional enslavement of women offends you, I want you to stop watching this video. And if you want to continue, you must agree never to use this knowledge to hurt women. Deal? Great. Let's start. Have you just started a relationship with a woman and you now want to become the best boyfriend you can ever be? Or is your relationship a little rocky and you want to make it better by becoming a better boyfriend? Hey, I feel you. You hear stories of shitty men beating their women and abandoning their families. You want to be different. You want to stand out. You want to be a shining example of what men could be. And this video will help you be the best boyfriend you'll ever be. Get ready because you're in for a real treat. And you know what? I'm proud of you. I think it's great that you know your relationship's success depends on you. Most guys don't get that. But you do, and I think that's awesome. But at the same time, I need to warn you. Be careful how you try to be the best boyfriend you can be. Why? Because if you're not careful, you might follow advice that actually makes you a worse boyfriend than you are right now. And it's important for you to know that because, well, you don't want to be a bad boyfriend, right? Before we go into that, however, there's something I want you to do for me. Could you help me out by clicking like? That will really mean a lot to me. Go on and click like now because I'll wait here. Clicked like? Great. Let's continue. So we were talking about wrong advice that can actually make you a bad boyfriend. Let's try an experiment. How many of the following pieces of good boyfriend advice do you agree with? You should never offend or hurt your girlfriend's feelings. You should follow her preferences in the little things. You should be 100% honest and upfront with her. You should make her happiness your first priority. You should do gentlemanly things like holding doors and pulling out chairs. Here's the bad news. If you agreed with even just one of the ideas above, then you're probably on the road to becoming a bad boyfriend. Are you surprised? Well, if you are, don't be. It's time to ditch those bad ideas and start learning the truth about what really works with women. And you're about to learn the real rules when it comes to dealing with women and relationships. Now, make no mistake. The 3 rules you're about to learn are based on the fundamental rules of masculinity. And you can be sure that they are as politically incorrect as it gets. They're based on what works and what's backed by science. And they've been field tested and proven by over 17,000 Shogun Method clients to work. Let's start with the first rule. Rule number 1, she's only loyal to your power. She won't be loyal to you because you're a great guy. She won't be loyal to you just because you're her boyfriend or even her husband. She'll only be loyal to your power over her. Understand this. When it comes to picking their boyfriends or husbands, women don't choose the one. Instead, they choose the most powerful guy they can get. And if she feels that you are weakening and your power is slipping away from you, then her attraction to you will dip. So if you think that she will love you no matter what, then guess what? Unconditional love is a myth. This brings us to the second rule. Rule number 2. She will not love you unconditionally, ever. Why not? Because unconditional love means one thing. Sacrifice. Do you think she's going to sacrifice her happiness and peace of mind to love a powerless man? No, she won't. Not when there are other, more powerful guys out there who want her too. Think about it. If you're powerless, she'll look at you and see sacrifice. Then she looks at her other, more powerful options and she sees opportunity. It's a no-brainer. She's going to go with the guy who has the most power over her. And if it's not you, she won't go with you. And lastly, rule number 3. The less she gets to control you, the more she loves you. Makes sense, right? The more she controls you, the less she respects you. And the less she respects you, the less she loves you. Correspondingly, the less she controls you, the more she respects you, and the more she loves you. I hope you're getting the picture by now. Power, dominance, control. That's what the best boyfriends are made of. And if you want to be the best boyfriend she'll ever have in her life, she needs to feel your power, dominance, and control. So how exactly do you dominate and control your woman? It turns out that's a simple mind hack which you can use to quickly put any woman under your control and dominance. We'll get to that in a while, but for now, let's switch gears and talk about something different. Here's what I'd like to talk to you about. Some of our best viewers come from guys just like you. Guys who find our videos useful and with whom we want to continue to share our videos in the future. Therefore, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd like to invite you to subscribe so that you'll receive my videos in the future. To do that, click on the subscribe button now. I'll wait here. Subscribed? Great. Now let's continue, okay? Okay, we were talking about how to control and dominate a woman. And so here's what I want you to understand. We are not talking about controlling a woman physically, that's for sure. I never condone physical abuse. Instead, you take the psychological emotional route by using mind control. Why mind control? Because everything starts there, in her mind. Her experience of you depends completely on her perception of you. If you control her perception of you, then you control her experience of you. And if she perceives you as the most powerful, most dominant guy in her life, then she'll gladly get into a long-term relationship with you. Why wouldn't she, right? In her mind, no one else is more powerful than you. She hit the jackpot, and now she'll never let go of you. If that sounds good to you, then I invite you to learn mind control today. And you can do that by joining Derek Rake's online masterclass. That's where I learn the art of using mind control on women. Now, I gotta warn you though. It may sound surprising, but it's true. Mind control might not be for you. For instance, to some guys, it might be too much too soon, especially when they've believed society's lies about women all their lives. So here's the deal. Do not join Derek's masterclass if you think political correctness is alright. You're okay with treating your girlfriend as your equal in all respects. You're fine with hoping for the best that your relationship works out on its own. But if you're not okay with any of that, if you really want to be the best boyfriend your woman could ever have, then you do this. A new link will now appear in the video. Click it and the registration page for Derek Rake's online masterclass will come up. On that page, enter your email address because that's where your masterclass invite will be emailed to. Click on that link. Do it now.